Hello, welcome from Trend Signal for our review of the data and events the week beginning the 26th of September. Markets pretty soft overnight as the Far East digest the news regarding OPEC. Friday saw an end to the sort of central bank-induced move higher in equities last week, but Friday saw that peter out to a certain extent as oil tumbled on the news from Saudi Arabia that there's not going to be much achieved at this meeting in Algiers, or Algeria, I should say, later this week. I think it's actually on Wednesday. Anyway, let's look at the data that's coming out this week. It's fairly sparse, really, apart from quite a few central bankers, and that's really the theme of most markets at the moment. What the Bank of Japan's up to, the ECB, the FOMC, and even the BOE. All the central banks are key to market moves and market direction. So we start off looking at our calendar for the week. We've already had the German IFO business climate. That's surprisingly stronger than what was forecast at 109.5. We then have the first of our main speeches this week from central bankers. We do have the Swiss National Bank Chairman Jordan speaking, but really the key ones are from the ECB, from the BOJ, and from the Federal Reserve in the United States. So 4:05 on Monday, Mario Draghi is speaking. We have a number of bits of data out as well in the across the various markets, mostly US numbers really this week. We've got the Conference Board Consumer Confidence number tomorrow at 3 p.m., which will obviously attract the usual attention. Wednesday is probably one of the more important days of the week, in fact. We have durable goods on Wednesday at 1:30. We then have Janet Yellen, the chairperson of the Federal Reserve, testifying at 3 p.m., which will always be very interesting. And then at 3:30 we have Mario Draghi from the ECB, so it could prove to be quite an eventful Wednesday afternoon. And to cap it all, anyone that's trading crude oil, bearing in mind the massive drawdown on stocks last week, it's something that will be followed quite closely. Oil rather disappointed by Saudi's Saudi delegation, that not really looking to play ball on the production cut that has been often discussed in the press and in the markets. Looks like their arch rival Iran is the one that is the problem that looks insurmountable for now. Iran, that used to produce sort of 4.5 million barrels per day. Saudi and Russia, the two largest oil producers. Saudi obviously in OPEC, Russia not. They'll be looking to try and secure some sort of a deal in Algeria, but it's unlikely that Iran is going to agree to any cut, because they're still below their the production that they would like to achieve before sanctions were imposed. So oil doesn't look that promising for now. You never know what might happen. But that's on Wednesday in Algeria, so there could be quite a lot coming out Wednesday. Thursday, we've got Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda speaking. So again, more central bank speak that will impact markets almost certainly. We then have the third reading of the US Q2 GDP. That expected to rise a little bit from 1.1 to 1.3, and again, then Yellen talking again Thursday evening, just more of the same, really. And then we finish the week on Friday with some data out in the UK, the current account reading for the UK, and then we also have a couple of numbers from China with the manufacturing PMI data, one from the independent research Caixin, and the other one the official reading from the Chinese state. That's it. Thank you very much for listening. All the best for now. Bye now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.